Are you looking for a quick and easy way to share a Google Doc using CrankWheel? Well, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you just how simple it is to share your Google Docs with anyone using CrankWheel, and you'll want to stick around to see the bonus tip at the end. First, let's talk about CrankWheel and why it's such a great tool for sharing your Google Docs. CrankWheel allows you to instantly share documents, presentations, and even your screen in real time with just a link. It's easy to use and requires no downloads for the recipient, perfect for when you want to collaborate quickly without any hassle. Next thing, let's dive into how to share a Google Doc specifically. The first step is to ensure your Google Doc is ready to share. Open the document you want to share and make sure it's set to be viewable by anyone with a link. You'll find the sharing options at the top right of the Google Doc interface. Click the Share button and change the settings to Anyone with a link if it's not already. Now, the fourth thing, open up CrankWheel. Once you're inside the CrankWheel dashboard, you'll see a few options. Select the option to share your screen or share a link. For Google Docs, sharing your screen is usually the easiest and most straightforward method, especially if you want to show changes in real time. The fifth step is to choose what you're sharing. You'll have an option to share either the entire screen or just the specific window that has your Google Doc open. Select the window with your Google Doc and start sharing. At this point, the person you're sharing with will get a link to view your document in real time. It's that simple. Your recipient doesn't need to download anything or even have a CrankWheel account. All they need is the link, and they're good to go. Next thing, CrankWheel also lets you add interactive elements to your session. You can annotate your Google Doc while sharing it, which is great for presentations or reviewing content with a team. Just click the annotation button, and you're ready to highlight, draw, or add notes directly to the document. Now, here's a cool bonus feature. CrankWheel allows you to seamlessly share your Google Doc with multiple people at once. Instead of sending the link to each person individually, you can simply create a session with multiple viewers. This is perfect for team meetings or presentations where you want everyone on the same page. Before we wrap up, remember that CrankWheel isn't just for Google Docs. You can use it for sharing PDFs, websites, or even just to show someone how to use a piece of software. And the best part? You can use CrankWheel for free with the exclusive bonuses linked in the description below. To quickly recap, you've learned how to easily share a Google Doc with CrankWheel, how to annotate while sharing, and how to include multiple viewers in your session. All of this and more is available at no cost through our exclusive free trial, so don't miss out. Thanks for watching, and remember to check out the link below for your extended free trial.